Hi, it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and today we're restoring some grey BMW seats. As you can see now, the cracks were really bad, so we've rubbed these down, and we're filling these all in now. And if you look on this side as well, you can see that they are in really bad condition, so we need to spend probably a good few hours on these to get them back to where they were. And then the customers are going to have them sprayed black, which is exciting. I'll show you obviously the before and the after later on. These are the rest of the bits here. You've got the headrests and the door cards, and then over here we've got the seats and the backrests, and that's it. So hopefully after a day's work these should look the absolute business. Okay, so it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and it's the web address www.mobileleatherrepairs.co.uk, and I'll send the after pictures, by the after video rather, later on. Okay, bye for now.